In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to optimize mobile performance in Wix Studio. To get started, open your site in the Wix Studio editor. Once you are inside the editor, click the mobile icon at the top so you can switch over to mobile view. This is important because mobile visitors experience your site very differently from desktop users. And optimizing from the correct view helps you make smarter adjustments right away. One of the first things to focus on is hiding resource-heavy elements on mobile. If your desktop design includes complex animations, looping background videos, or large galleries, these can slow down load times on phones. In mobile view, you can hide those heavier elements without changing how the desktop version looks. This gives you a cleaner, faster mobile experience while still preserving the full design on larger screens. Next, set appropriate responsive behaviors for each device. In Wix Studio, responsive settings let you control how elements react as the screen size changes. For example, buttons can sometimes stretch too wide on smaller phones, which can make the layout feel awkward. Setting certain elements, like buttons, to fixed can help keep their size more consistent and prevent those layout issues. Another helpful feature is responsive AI. Select the section you want to improve, then choose Section Responsive AI, and click Let the built-in Responsive AI do the heavy lifting. This tool can automatically adjust container widths and layouts for smaller screens, which saves time and often gives you a strong starting point for mobile optimization. You'll also want to customize typography carefully. Text that looks great on desktop can become huge and hard to read on a phone if scaling is too aggressive. To prevent this, disable scale text when needed or set strict minimum font sizes for paragraph text in your site styles. This helps create a more polished reading experience and keeps your content comfortable to scan on smaller devices. After that, optimize your media assets. Make sure your high-resolution images are converted to WebP format, since this helps reduce file size without sacrificing too much quality. Also, keep lazy loading enabled so images below the fold only load when a visitor scrolls down to them. That can significantly improve initial page speed. Finally, review specific breakpoints carefully. Check both tablet and mobile viewports and manually inspect how the site renders on each one. Adjust margins and padding where needed, and make sure buttons remain easy to tap. Small spacing fixes can make a big difference in usability. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.